All right, guys, so a little bit more on the Legacy 21 Model 1 from Rick Turner Guitars. We mentioned full electronics package, so that means master volume, master tone with your coil split right here to split your humbucker. And we've got the parametric equalizer here, so you kick that on like this. Now this one is your boost and cut, this one is your filter sweep, so we'll boost all the way here so you can hear. So target your frequency and then you can boost whichever one you want. So we got that. And then of course, we've also got the piezo blender right here. Right now we've got it fully on the magnetic pickup. Then there's a detent in the middle for both. And then this is just your piezo. Which admittedly does sound better going through an acoustic amp, but you can add in just a little bit to add some more bite to your electric tone.